से बच्चे नहीं देख पाएंगे। Yeah. Okay, children, I'm starting now. See, this is Kala Ghoda, black horse, Kala Ghoda circle. And when and where it is, children, this is Kala Ghoda. And when and how it is made, that I will tell you. Again, see, it is near to it is a, I think, station ke paas. It is near the station, Kala Ghoda circle. It is called, why? Because of this black horse. It is a remarkable place of Baroda, prominent place, set in the middle of a landscaped circle, right across the main entrance of Sayaji Bagh. Where it is situated? Right across, right side, main entrance ke right side mein Sayaji Bagh ke, it is stands a life-sized equestrian statue of Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gaikwad III. So who the person who is sitting on that black horse, he is Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gaikwad III himself. जिनके बारे में मैं I am calling you, I am telling you from last 2 weeks. 1 week, एक वीक से मैं जिनके बारे में बता रही हूँ, महाराजा सयाजी राव गायकवाड़ III. मैं बता रही हूँ ना आपको, जो मेनी प्लेसेस, लक्ष्मी विला पैलेस, कमाटी बाग, ऑल इज द इनिशिएटिव ऑफ दिस किंग. यस, तो दिस पर्सन इज हिमसेल्फ महाराजा सयाजी राव गायकवाड़ III, जो ब्लैक हॉर्स उनके पास था उसमें बैठे हुए हैं. एंड इट इज द ग्लोरियस स्टैच्यू ऑफ हिम विथ हिज हॉर्स, हिज लव्ड वन हॉर्स. So Sayaji Rao Gaikwad III in all the glory of as a people's king. The statue was actually commissioned by the people of the city on the occasion of the Rafi Mahotsav, Silver Jubilee celebration of the Maharaja's reign, and is the symbol of the immense love and respect that his people had for him. It is said that the statue was kept under a veil and was only unveiled on the designed day, 5th March 1907 by Maharaja Holkar of Indore. So children, ये ऐसा बोला जाता है कि ये जो स्टैचू था ये एक पर्दे के अंदर, भेल मतलब होता है पर्दा, पर्दे के अंदर रखा हुआ था टिल 5th मार्च 1907, जब इसका इनॉग्रेशन किया गया था इस स्टैचू का. किनके द्वारा? महाराजा होलकर, वो भी बहुत बड़े महाराजा थे इंदौर के, उन्होंने इसका इनॉग्रेशन किया था. और ये जो स्टैचू है, इट इज द लव ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ बड़ौदा टू महाराजा सयाजी राव गायकवाड़ III. उनको लोगों का राजा बोला जाता था. ही वॉज द किंग ऑफ पीपल, लोगों का राजा. वो लोगों के लिए जीते थे, लोगों के लिए काम करते. ही डन एवरीथिंग फॉर द पीपल ऑफ बड़ौदा एंड नियर बाय. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन people loved him, and it is the respect which he get by this statue. लोगों ने respect दिया था उनका स्टैचू बना के. अभी what is the statue के बारे में? Built out of a bronze. It was made by sculptor franchisee Derwent Wood and had cost rupees 60,000. It stands on an 8 feet high, roughly rectangular shaped stone pedestal. Okay, so it is बना हुआ किससे है? इट इज मेड बाय ब्रोंज. ब्रोंज एक धातु होता है, उससे बना हुआ है. और किन्होंने बनाया है? फ्रांसिस स्कल्पचर, फ्रांस के एक स्कल्पचर मेकिंग आर्टिस्ट जिनका नाम है डेरवेंट वुड. Someone is unmuted. Okay, so this sculpture is made by the famous फ्रांस स्कल्पचर आर्टिस्ट डेरवेंट वुड. नाम याद रखना बच्चों, डेरवेंट वुड ने ये स्कल्पचर बनाया था, जो फ्रांस के एक बहुत बड़े स्कल्पचर आर्टिस्ट हैं. एंड हैड कॉस्ट रुपीज 60,000. कितना पड़ा था? 60,000 पड़ा था. नाउ इट इज वेरी फ्यू मनी, बट दैट टाइम व्हेन इट मेड इन 1907, 1907 में, that time the cost of this is very high. It stands on a 8 feet high, roughly rectangular shaped stone pedestal. जो जिसके ऊपर ये खड़ा है, ये जो प्लेस है, ये एक स्टोन का पेडेस्टल है, पूरा एक स्टोन है. नीचे आप देखो जो कार्विंग करके उनकी हिस्ट्री यहाँ लगाई हुई है. दिस इज कॉल्ड पेडेस्टल, विच इज वेरी रफली रेक्टेंगुलर शेप, 8 feet height, which where the statue is standing. This pedestal bears inscription about the statue in Gujarati, Marathi, English as well. So in this rectangular shaped pedestal, there is written about Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gaikwad in 3 languages: English, Hindi, and Marathi. The smaller side of the pedestal is embellished with a Roman style relief of a lady. और जिसका small size है, जो स्मॉल साइज स्ट्रक्चर है वो क्या है, एक लेडी बनी हुई है जो रोमन स्टाइल की है. वी हैव टू सी, लेट्स सी अगेन. कहां पर है ये छोटा हिस्सा इसका? ईस्ट साइड तो दिख नहीं रहा है. ओके, उधर से दिखेगा नेक्स्ट साइड, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, नाउ द horse on which the Maharaja is seated is almost as high as the pedestal. And 8 feet in height का वो horse है. The horse is height is almost 8 feet, as like pedestal. Okay, very good. And has 2 of the legs in the air, and his 2 legs are on the air. You can see the picture. उनका जो 2 लेग है वो हवा में है. सामने के लेफ्ट साइड वाला लेग एंड पीछे के राइट साइड वाला, बोथ आर इन एयर, हवा में. जब कोई जीतता है या खुशी से जो ऊपर हॉर्स ऊपर होते हैं, उस भंगिमा में, उस पोस्चर में वो हॉर्स खड़ा है. ओके, वेरी गुड. एंड इट रिप्रेजेंट the 2 raised hooves of the horse is actually a representation of the traveling nature of the Maharaja. और ये जो हॉर्स दोनों पैर खड़ा ऊंचा करके खड़ा है, ये क्या शो करता है? जो महाराजा का जो घूमने का ट्रैवलिंग, जब हॉर्स खुशी से ट्रैवल करते हैं इधर उधर, तो दे आर वेरी हैप्पी. दैट टाइम दे ऑफ अप देयर लेग्स. सो ये जो महाराजा का घूमने का नेचर था वो इसको शो करता है. द महाराजा हिमसेल्फ कैन बी सीन इन फुल रिगेलियन अलोंग विद द 6th long sword. This statue is one of the only few statues of the Maharaja that depicts him with a mustache. Okay. So children, देखो यहाँ पर 2 चीजें बहुत ही यूनिक है. एक है उनका जो 6 फीट लंबा तलवार, you can see, and his mustache. वो मुस्टैच में बहुत कम देखे जाते थे. ये एक स्टैचू है जिसमें वो with his mustache you can see him. Because of the black color of the horse, the statue has came to be known as the Kala Ghoda, black horse, and is a prominent landmark of the city, showing the devotion of city's people toward their beloved king. Let's move to next, children. Next picture. See the next picture, children. Kala Ghora is finished. Now move to the next picture. See, it is. Don't speak. Don't speak, beta. Everyone know the answer. Everyone. I know. सबको आंसर पता है. आंसर बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you know more about the place, then you can speak. Okay? Because 58 students are sitting here. They all know this is bus stop. So जब वो लोग नहीं बोल रहे, you will also not speak. Okay? Right? I am right? Thumbs up करो. मैं सही बोल रही हूँ ना? Am I right? नहीं बोलना चाहिए ना? बेटा thumbs up करो. Yes. Because we 58 students are here. सबने आंसर दिया तो कितना शोर होगा? Right? Am I right? Children, are you agree with me? Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. Don't speak. Don't speak. Agree हो तो thumbs up करो. Thank you so much for being so nice student. ओके चिल्ड्रन, मैं आपको चांस दूंगी बोलने का. अगर आपको किसी भी पिक्चर के बारे में कुछ अलग सा पता है हटके, तो यू कैन शेयर. अदरवाइज डोंट स्पीक द नेम, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो इट इज वेरी कॉमन. टुडे आई एम टेकिंग कॉमन नेम्स, कॉमन और जो मोस्ट रिसेंटली बना हुआ है. सी, दिस इज बस स्टैंड. इट इज वेरी न्यू, नॉट ओल्ड. एंड इसकी स्पेशलिटी क्या है? इट इज जस्ट शेप एज आवर बड़ौदा. बड़ौदा के नाम से रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. बड़ौदा मीन्स होता है द प्लेस of Vad means banyan trees. The city banyan tree city. Our Baroda is called the city of banyan tree. So this picture reflect. देखो यहाँ से banyan tree शुरू होता है, उसके जो रूट्स हो रहे हैं वो इधर उधर जा रहे हैं. तो ये पूरा जो बस स्टैंड है एज ए banyan tree को सिंबल करता है. सो हमारे बड़ौदा को सिंबलाइज करता है. Let's see more about this. Okay, Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, that time Narendra Modi was Chief Minister of Gujarat, inaugurated an airport-like bus terminal in Baroda. He take a look at what the terminal boasts. तो वो जब उन्होंने inaugurate किया था तब की ये बात है. 1 second. Now move to the history of it. Okay. Tuted to be countries, tuted मतलब tutor में tute हुआ था, tuted to be countries first international standard bus terminal, the central bus depot of Baroda, designed on the theme of banyan tree. Again I said here you can see it nicely. See, this is banyan tree, यहाँ से start होता है, and this is the branches of different banyan trees, which is whole building covered. Yeah, so it is designed as banyan tree, as our Baroda set to give a new identify to the city. So children, ऐसा बोला जाता है कि ट्यूट किया गया था ये ट्विटर पे कि कंट्री का सबसे पहला इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड का बस टर्मिनल है। ये जो बस टर्मिनल इतना ऑसम, इतना सुंदर बस स्टैंड किसी भी प्लेस का नहीं है, तो उसको कंट्री का बस स्टैंड बोला जाता है। कैन यू सी ना चिल्ड्रन? यू कैन सी?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't see the presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, children.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Just wait for a few minutes. I will take the presentation because I
Yes,
can't
ma'am.
see. 1 second. Yes, now I can see. Now I can see. I can see. Yeah. Children, okay. See, what is the features of this bus terminal? Electronic scrolling system. Here, like airport की तरह लगेज को ले जाने आने के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्क्रॉलिंग सिस्टम है। Re-cheristened as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Central Bus Station. What is the name of this bus station? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Central Bus Station. So, 1 second, children. Just wait. Yeah. See, this bus station is, you can see na, this is like airport. Airport की तरह इसमें scrolling centers है. You can see the scrolling centers like airport. Bags and everything that can go through this place. Okay, now 1 second. Just wait. Yeah, now go to the next. Okay, children, bus terminal you can see. अगर आपके पास कोई और इंफॉर्मेशन है रिलेटेड टू दिस बस स्टेशन यू कैन टेल, अदरवाइज वी आर मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट। वी आर मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट। ओके, या
गेम,
हाँ गेम जोन है, गेम जोन है, फूड जोन है। यस 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 यस, वेरी गुड। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट children, this is, see the picture, see the picture, this is two pictures I showed, one is this, अच्छे से देखो पिक्चर को, first see the picture, first you see the picture, yeah, very good. Now next picture I am showing you, you see the next picture, can you see next picture? Thumbs up. Can you see the next picture? Two pictures, can you see?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, no, thumbs up, thumbs up. I can see your thumbs up.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can see your thumbs up. No need of speaking. Okay, children, see. This is Pavagadh. This is Pavagadh. ये जो पूरा पावागढ़ है, ये पूरा पिक्चर है. This is the whole picture of Pavagadh, and this is the mandir and the structure which is very famous. And this is the clouds of Pavagadh. It's very awesome mountain. Now about the Pavagadh. In present day, Pavagadh is a municipality operated region in Panchamahal district, about 46 kilometers away from Baroda in Gujarat state in western India. Okay, so now the Pavagadh whole Pavagadh is controlled by municipality VMC Baroda municipality, and it is falls on the Panchmahal district, not Baroda district. It is falls on Panchmahal district, which is near 46 kilometers away from Baroda. It is known for a famous Mahakali temple, which draws thousands of pilgrims every day. So it is very religious place. Every day, thousands of people go to the Mahakali temple. It is a tribal area populated predominantly by the Rathwas. So people, really tribal people, Rathwas, living in the Pavagadh. The area of this locality, Champaner Pavagadh Archaeological Park, was inscribed by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site in 2004. So now in 2004, UNESCO declared it as a World Heritage Center. World Heritage Center का मतलब होता है the place which is very important and now it is in risk zone. So पावागढ़ आर्कोलॉजिकल पार्क जो है वो पूरा एरिया को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सेंटर के अंडर में लिया गया है. So it is, you can understand, it is so famous in 2004. याद रखना बेटा हिस्ट्री. ओके, नाउ हिस्ट्री. इट इज सेड दैट द राजपूत किंग, क्या हिस्ट्री है इस पावागढ़ की, दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट नाउ. What is the history of Pavagadh? It is said that the Rajput king Banraj Chavda established Champaner at the foot of Pavagadh in fond memory. Children, don't speak, okay? Okay. Yes. It is said that the Rajput king Banraj Chavda established Champaner at the foot of Pavagadh in fond memory of his vice minister Champa. So चंपानेर कैसे नाम पड़ा और कैसे वहां पर स्टैब्लिश हुआ पावागढ़ हिल्स? राजपूत किंग थे एक जिनका नाम था बनराज चावड़ा. उन्होंने ये पूरा हिल और ये पावागढ़ और चंपानेर रीजन जो है अपने एक मिनिस्टर, उनके एक मिनिस्टर थे उनके सभा में जिनका नाम था चंपा, उनके नाम से इस पूरे एरिया का नाम उन्होंने रखा था पावागढ़ हिल्स. सो चिल्ड्रेन, यू कैन सी हु इज ऑन अनम्यूटेड. आपकी आवाज इतनी ज्यादा आ रही है अनम्यूटेड. सम पीपल इज अनम्यूटेड. घर के काम की आवाज आ रही. केतन प्रांडेकर. एवरीवन म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Still someone is unmuted. Now I will remove those who are unmuted. 1 second. Let's check. Okay, children, see recording is going there. So without any sound, please sit. Now continuing, I am okay. See, राजा बनराज चावड़ा स्टैब्लिश चंपानेर, किसके नाम से? अपने मिनिस्टर चंपा के नाम से उन्होंने ये चंपानेर जो सिटी था, ये जो माउंटेन रेंज था, उनको स्टैब्लिश किया था. लेटर द पटेल रावल फैमिली रूल्ड इट एंड टुक केयर द बाउंड्री. द फोक टेल से दैट महाकाली assumed the form of a woman and danced in a गरबा ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रि. ऐसा माना जाता है कि नवरात्रि के समय महाकाली खुद आके उन्होंने एक वुमन का रूप लेके वहां डांस किया था. द लास्ट पटाई जैन सिंह वॉच्ड हर विद डर्टी लुक. सो ऐसा बोला जाता है कि जब महाकाली खुद आके वहां डांस कर रही थी तो कोई एक किंग था जिन्होंने अच्छे से नहीं देखा, उन्हें खराब निगाहों से देखा. फॉर दैट रीजन the last patai would see him dirty look, the deity become angry. वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गई at Jansin and caused him that the town will fall. उन्होंने उनको श्राप दिया कि आपका जो पूरा शहर है वो खत्म हो जाएगा. It will be जल्पा वशाई. Mute yourself. Okay. So like this way, this whole history folk tales are there. The Muslim emperor of Gujarat, Muhammad Baghdad, assaulted Pavagadh and won the hill on the boundary in the 15th century. So बहुत सारी histories हैं. You have to not इतने डिटेल में जानने की आपको जरूरत नहीं है, बस इतना याद रखना है कि now Pavagadh is World Heritage Site. 2004 में यूनेस्को ने उसको वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट बना दिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट. या see children, it is very nice. It is look like a movie scene. It is Jambugoda Wildlife Sanctuary. इसको ये है जाम्बूगोड़ा, एक प्लेस है, आपने सुना होगा इसका नाम. ये वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है जाम्बूगोड़ा की. इट इज वन ऑफ द वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी ऑफ. या स्पीक.
मैम मेरे पापा है ना, पहले जाम्बूगोड़ा सेंचुरी के डीएफओ थे.
Very good. Now you collect information about from your father. Ask him the stories of Jambugora Hills, then share with us. Okay, in the class. We will be very happy to listen adventurous stories like all the kids are like. Okay, thumbs up करो बच्चों. सुनना है ना जाम्बूगोड़ा के वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी की stories? Okay, we'll contact you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, chalo, back to the Jambugora Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay. See, beautiful place. It is Jambugora Wildlife Sanctuary is a famous place for those who are looking forward to one-day picnic spot near Baroda. Yeah, it is very good for one-day picnic. If you want to go one-day picnic, you can join Jambugora and other places. Like the nearby places of Jambugoda. The reservoir is known for many wild species like wild bear, antelopes, sleuth bear, and boars. Oh my God. So these all are very very rarely found species. Wild bear, antelopes, sleuth bear, boars. The forest department usually organizes trekking, camping, and safari tours that makes Jambugora Wildlife Sanctuary one of the most adventurous place near Baroda. So if you want like to trekking, camping, safaris, so you have to go Jambugora Wild Sanctuary. बहुत सारे वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज है वहां पर, जहां पर अगर आप लकी हो तो आपको ऐसे एनिमल्स भी देखने को मिल जाएंगे लाइक वाइल्ड बियर, एंटीलोप्स, स्लोथ बियर, ऐसे एनिमल्स भी आपको दिख सकते हैं. लोकेशन इज मोटा रस्का चांद हनुमान रोड. या
मैंने ना लेपर्ड और स्लोथ बेयर देखा है.
या वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. देखना भी चाहिए हमेशा. या वेरी गुड. Whenever you have chance to see these things, take photographs लेके रखो, so you will remember when you were very big. You will see the picture and will. Yeah, very good. Kabir bird. Now move to the next image, children. नेक्स्ट इमेज प्लीज सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. देखो स्क्रीन पे मैंने एक और इमेज दिया है. दिस इज कबीर बर्ड. हाँ, ये तो हम सब जानते. इट इज मोस्ट फेमस रिलीजियस प्लेस. सी द मेज ऑफ ब्रांचेस ऑफ रूट्स. यस, एकदम मेज की तरह स्ट्रेट ब्रांचेस एंड रूट्स उसके फैले हुए हैं. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है ये कबीर बर्ड. कबीर बर्ड इज अ पॉपुलर प्लेस विच इज लोकेटेड ऑन एन आइलैंड अमेस्ट द रिवर नर्मदा. ये एक आइलैंड पे है नर्मदा रिवर के पास. वेट स्टूडेंट्स, थोड़ा वेट करो. समवन इज स्टिल, स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिंग. एक्चुअल मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिंग. या ओके. One can reach here by boats available from Sulktit Shiv Temple. So if you want to go Kabir Bird, now there is many vehicles, but few years back there is the way through boat. You can go Sulktit Shiv Temple. Kabir Bird is believed to be named after the famous Sant Kabir Das. And this incredible grove of a banyan tree that has grown for ages is spread over an area of nearly 3 kilometers. Oh my God. One can also visit the nearby Kabir temple that welcomes worshippers during prayer hours. This destination will be only provided you a chance to plug in the history, but also persons of soothness, soulful calmness. मतलब कि अगर आप इस प्लेस में जाते हो, सो थिंक अबाउट द ट्री चिल्ड्रन. इट इज 3 किलोमीटर वाइड. ये जो ट्री है ये 3 किलोमीटर में फैला हुआ है और बहुत ही रिलीजियस प्लेस है. यू कैन गेट कूल एंड कामनेस हियर. सो रिलीजियस पीपल गो टू विजिट कबीर बर्ड रेगुलरली. नाउ चिल्ड्रन सी योर स्क्रीन अनदर पिक्चर.
मैम, this is in
Zarwani waterfall.
हाँ, Zarwani waterfalls. Yes, this is Zarwani. Okay, very good. Zarwani waterfalls.
Zarwani waterfall.
मैं अहमदाबाद की फेमस प्लेस बाकोर फार्म हाउस में गया था ना, वहाँ पे भी ट्रैकिंग, स्विमिंग पूल, वाटरफॉल सब था.
Yes, Zarwani waterfalls. Okay, thank you so much for sharing. Zarwani waterfalls जो है वो फेमस इसलिए है बिकॉज इट्स वाटर इज लुक लाइक मिल्क, व्हाइट कलर का वाटर है और वो सीधे खंड खंड में होके पत्थरों से टकराते हुए नीचे गिरता है. सो इट्स लुक लाइक जैसे मिल्क गिर रहा हो. इट्स वाटर इज सो प्योरली व्हाइट कलर. 1 second children, again one student is coming. Okay, so because of its color it is very famous. Zarwani waterfalls. Remember, if you like to explore nature spots whenever you go, then you must include Zarwani waterfall in your itinerary, as it is one of the best place to see in Baroda. Okay. White water gushing down amidst rocky structures and lush greenery is a sight to be seen at least once in a lifetime. So children, the white water, मैंने अभी आपको बताया, the white water when it comes through rocky पत्थरों पे गिरते हुए आता है, if you see it, it is a lifetime memory. Make sure that you carry a couple of extra clothes if you're planning to dip yourself in the cool water. Carry a camera with you to capture some amazing views. कैमरा की जरूरत नहीं है, अभी मोबाइल से हम ले सकते हैं. The location is धीरकाड़ी, गुजरात. चिल्ड्रन, मैं आपको ये सारे प्लेसेस दिखा के इनके नाम याद कराने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. सो व्हेन आई विल आस्क यू जीके क्वेश्चन, तो आप फटाक से उसके नाम का आंसर को टिक कर सको. सो मेरा रीजन ये है कि यू नो योर सिटी better and perfectly. You should know. People should know about their city, जहां वो रहते हैं, जहां उनका बर्थ हुआ है, जहां पर हम अपना पूरा चाइल्डहुड स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. We should know the things, the places. और हमारा बड़ौदा तो हिस्ट्री में इट इज अ पॉइंट इन हिस्ट्री में बहुत फेमस है. तो हमें हमारे सिटी के बारे में जरूर जानना चाहिए. इसके लिए मैं सारे पॉइंट आपको कर रही हूँ. आप नाम याद रखना, जैसे मैं पिक्चर दूं आप कर सको. एग्जाम मैं जब आपका जीके एग्जाम लूंगी, दैट टाइम यू विल बी क्लियर इन योर माउंड. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, see the screen again, new picture. See your screen, everyone. Yeah,
Mandvi Gate.
yeah, Mandvi Gate for shopping. Almost every month we go Mandvi. And this gate is the famous place where we turn in each side of the market. This is a historical importance also. इसका एक historical, इसमें clock भी बना हुआ है. And now police station is here. मांडवी पुलिस स्टेशन का जो एक branch है वो, that is here. They sit in this place. Okay, now what is the historical importance of this place? Mandvi Gate possesses great historical importance since the Mughal era for Baroda, as it is believed that tolls were collected from traders and merchants as at this gate. ये गेट बोला जाता है कि व्हेन मुगल्स बड़ौदा में आए, मुगल्स मीन्स जो मुगल किंग थे, जब उन्होंने बड़ौदा और उसके आसपास के सिटी को कॉन्कर किया, जीता, उस समय इस गेट पे बैठ के ट्रेडर्स जो बिजनेसमैन थे उनसे और मर्चेंट्स जो व्यापारी थे जो इस सिटी के अंदर आते थे या जाते थे, उनसे टैक्स लिया जाता था इसी गेट के पे बैठ के. द गेट इज लोकेटेड एट द हार्ट ऑफ द सिटी. हर्ट मीन्स बीच, एकदम जो बीच में है, पॉइंट है. दैट प्लेस इट इज लोकेटेड एंड इट इल्यूमिनेट्स on festivals, which adds to the beauty of the architecture. So in the festival, when it is decorated with lights, it looks beautiful. If you are planning a vacation to this place, then make sure that you include Mandvi Gate in your itinerary, as it is one of the best tourist places in Baroda. So हम तो ऐसे ही जाते रहते हैं Barodians, but जो outsider है, for them it is very good. It is one more waterfall. It is much higher. आप देखो स्क्रीन पे बच्चों, सी
Hathni waterfall.
Yeah. Very good. Yes, it is Hathni waterfall. It is much taller than other waterfalls of our region. हमारे इधर बड़ौदा के पास ये surrounded
मैम
with green hills. Yeah,
मैम
speak.
ये है ना मैं मेरी मम्मी के लिए मैंने बर्थडे पे बनाया था.
Very good. So now you speak in English. Huh? I made it for my mother for her birthday celebration. Okay. I want to listen. Huh? Okay. Surrounded by green hills, Hathni waterfall is one of the best places to visit in Vadodara. It is located at a distance of 75 kilometers from the city and provides ample opportunity for nature photographer. So those who like to photograph, professional photographers and nature lovers always go to take photographs because of the green. The whole Hathni Mata Hathni waterfall is located with green lush forest. If you are looking to spend your vacation in nature, with nature, you should go to this place. Again, we will want to see the green lush waterfall surrounded by full of eternity. Okay, now next. The children, I told you. Now see your screen. See your screen.
मैम
इस्कॉन मंदिर.
Yeah. Someone want to? Yeah, ISKCON temple. One second, children. Someone want to speak about the Hathni waterfall. Anyone want to speak right now? One girl want to speak about Hathni waterfall.
I have go to Hathni waterfall.
Yeah, very good. Thank you so much. Okay. Anyone else? किसी और को बोलना है?
Ma'am, I also go.
Okay.
I also go.
मैम मैं रोज संडे जाती हूँ.
Okay, very nice. Okay, children, see your screen. ISKCON Baroda, ISKCON temple of Baroda. ISKCON temples are in all the major city in India. We have ISKCON temple, and this is Baroda's ISKCON temple. Krishna ka mandir hai, spanning over a whopping 2,500 feet in the city center of Baroda. The ISKCON temple has been preserving Vaishnavism for decades now. So ISKCON वाले जो हैं वो वैष्णव धर्म को मानते हैं. Seek Lord Krishna's blessing at the Darshan Mandap, which is adorned by tasteful traditional art on all sides. Right outside is a pure vegetarian restaurant, Govind Das, that serves scrumptious Indian food without using any onion and garlic. If you want to eat something delicious without onion and garlic, you should go, and it is religious. And people of this temple, devotees, believe in Vaishnav culture. Okay, that point. Again, one temple.
Surya Mandir.
Surya Mandir, Baroda. It is famous for its architecture. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Surya Mandir. Yes, it is famous for its architecture.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I go to Surya Mandir.
Yeah. I also.
I also go.
Yeah, I also go because of its architecture. I love this place. Sun Temple, Borshad, is situated in the town of Borshad in Anand, Gujarat, dedicated primarily to the sun god. The Sun Temple of Borshad is known to bestow divine grace upon those who visit and relieves them from ailments. मतलब बीमारियों से, मन के कोई दुख हो, किसी को मन वो stressful होते हैं, they can go and they can visit this place, which might cause them unhappiness. Hence, people from all over the world visit the Sun Temple enthusiastically. The history behind this temple is quite a kind, which dictated that the temple is built at the instance of God himself. ऐसा माना जाता है कि भगवान सन ने खुद ये टेम्पल बनाया था. Okay. The temple is aimed to personify the unity amongst God, as here the Sun Lord resides along with many deities of the Vaishnav Sampradaya. Is this all about ये तो मैंने बड़े बच्चों के लिए निकाला था. Okay. See children, this is
Makarpur.
Makarpura Palace.
Makarpura Palace.
You can see how beautiful this palace is. Yeah. This is Makarpura Palace. मैंने इसके बारे में आपको पहले भी बताया है.
Makarpur.
Yes.
Palace.
Okay. Children, I told you about this Makarpura Palace last class also. See the palace. It is so huge. And one thing you can identify, whole palace is so many windows and doors. Because it is made by Gaikwad, जो royal family थे, Gaikwad उन्होंने बनाया था for their summer palace. It is made for summer times. They enjoy the summer season here. Because the palace structure, it is very cool. ये बहुत ठंडा और उस तरीके से आर्किटेक्चर को बनाया गया था कि ये पैलेस बहुत कूल हो. So because of that reason, this palace is famous and now it is gifted to Indian Air Force. Makarpura Palace was initially constructed with the motive that it will serve as summer palace for the royal family of the Gaikwads. Built in 1870 and given an Italian touch of architecture. It was renovated years after it was built because the palace was left unused as the royal family preferred spending most of their summers in the relatively cooler Nilgiri of Tamil Nadu. तो वो यूज नहीं होता था पैलेस, इसलिए फिर से उसको रिनोवेट किया गया. It now serves as a training school called number 17 Tetra School used by the Indian Air Force. And civilians are not allowed because of security reasons. So we are not allowed now because Indian Air Force का ये अब ट्रेनिंग सेंटर बन गया है, इसके लिए हमें अलाउ नहीं है वहां जाना है because of security reasons.
Statue of Unity.
Yes, Statue of Unity.
And this is picture of a Statue of Unity. I have been there.
Statue of Unity.
One by one, please speak. Everyone mute yourself first. Yes, everyone mute your.
Ma'am, this is statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yes.
Statue of Unity.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Statue of Unity is a memorial to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The statue has been erected to propagate Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's vision of India and to inspire the citizens of India through his patriotism and freedom struggle. The bronze statue of founding father of the Republic of India and 182 meters tall. याद रखना, this is important. 182 meters tall. Grabbing the attention of the whole world as the tallest statue in the world. It is the 182 meters tall. आपको ये मीटर याद रखना है, 182. The Statue of Unity is located in Gujarat by the bank of river Narmada. So it is 35 kilometers away from Narmada Dam, Ahmedabad. Okay. Now. Okay, it is connected with Statue of Unity will be well connected with expressway, so you can go by, but the people can communicate. It is now very famous. Oh, Thol bird sanctuary. It is Thol bird sanctuary. मैं इस sanctuary के बारे में आपको बताती हूँ. Thol bird sanctuary is an, ये आपको जानना चाहिए, यहाँ जाना चाहिए. Is an ecologically rich bird reserve located in Thol Lake in the Mehsana district of Gujarat. It is nestled amidst dense, delicious vegetation. It is one of the most popular place for birds. So children, it is one of the place जो Mehsana में है, Mehsana district में है. Okay, very good. Okay, children.
And it is flamingo.
गया था.
Oh, very nice.
वाटर पार्क पे भी गया था.
हाँ, yes. It is mainly
Flamingo. Excuse me, ma'am.
flamingo. Yes, it is flamingo. It is flamingo bird.
This is flamingo.
Actually,
Ma'am, it is flamingo.
Yes, yes, speak. Yeah, it is flamingo.
Ma'am, it is flamingo.
Yeah. It is.
Flamingo.
Yes, it is in Mehsana. This is Thol Bird Sanctuary, especially for birds. Many birds come here.
And this is flamingo.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Children, this one is last one. Last picture.
Ma'am, I have something.
1 second.
Ma'am,
Someone
I have
want to join.
something.
Children, now mute yourself quickly.
Ma'am, my friend is in Mehsana.
Yeah. See children, this is Sardar Patel Zoological Park. जो अब सरदार पटेल की जो स्टैच्यू है वहां पर एक पार्क बना है जियोलॉजिकल पार्क दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सरदार पटेल जियोलॉजिकल पार्क. Sardar Patel Zoological Park is a newly inaugurated zoo situated in Kevadia, a town in the Narmada district of Gujarat, located in the vicinity of the majestic Statue of Unity. This tremendous establishment hosts about 170 different species of wildlife from all across the globe, is home to a wide range of plant life, and has a breathtaking aviary inhabited by endemic as well as foreign varieties of birds. The Royal Bengal tigers, zebras, leopard, etc. are only a few examples of wildlife animals one can explore here. The park was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st October 2020, commemorating the birth anniversary of the much revered leader of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is spread over a vast expanse of land, about 1,300 acres in size. Unlike conventional zoos, the Sardar Patel Zoological Park is built with an open design, wherein the animals are not displayed in cages but bred in the environment. So here the animals lived in open place, huge space like a jungle. They are not kept in the cage. So it is one of the major places. Okay, children, now many places. Yeah.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Listen, children. Now I completed
Thank you,
Baroda's.
ma'am.
1 second, children. Let me speak. Listen, then go. Everyone, first I have to. 1 second. Recording. I will stop. Then I will.